Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, right? When I first seen this product come out, it was so high. It's so expensive. Why? I don't know. It's extra firm, clean parts, control frizz, no buildup with olive oil. So it smells like olive oil to me. It's clear. I'm almost done. That shows you that it works. So I recommend this. This is like a 10 out of 10. This is up there with the Ebine, whatever, New York Edge Tamer. As these two are about the same hold. So I recommend these two. If you can't find anything, get this. Get the Magic Fingers because it works really good. But this is it. This does a bomb job. This works for all textures. It works like it's the bomb.com. It is expensive. She also has the mousse and the oil sheen and stuff like that to go for with the braids. But this right here, this is it, baby. I have another one too that I just tried, and I think I like that too as well. So I'm gonna do a review on all of these. I really recommend this product if you're a braider. This is a good product. This is good to have. I have so many products. Like I said, if you want me to review a product, please let me know. If you have a product that you want me to review, please let me know. If you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram, Florida Braider. Follow me on Instagram, Florida Braid. Stop playing with me. Peace.